How is it going, everybody? Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. It is that time of the month again, and I've spent the last few days testing out dozens of applications to bring you the absolute best for your Android phone. This time around, I have curated 8 incredible apps that are gonna completely transform the way you use your phone. And as always, I'll also be giving away a bunch of promo codes in this video. Make sure you stick around until the very end so you don't miss out on grabbing one. Guys, if you love watching such amazing Android related content, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and smash that like button. It would mean a lot to me. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Alright guys, starting things with the first application, and it goes by the name called Chill Live Wallpaper. Now this isn't your typical live wallpaper app that drains your battery, but this app gives you beautiful minimalist vector landscapes that completely adapt to your actual day and weather in real time. I mean, the scene literally changes with how your day actually looks like. You will see the sunrise and set exactly when it does in your real world location, and live weather effects like rain, snow and clouds will appear automatically on your home screen as well as lock screen. The animations are buttery smooth, and it also has a satisfying 3D parallax motion that shifts beautifully as you swipe through different pages. The best part, it has multiple handcrafted scenes from serene forest to beautiful looking lakes, and you can also change the colors, elements and weather to match your exact setup aesthetics. Plus, it is battery optimized, so you get all these premium visuals without taking a hit on your phone's performance. All in all, I think it's a must-have live wallpaper app that will completely transform how your phone looks and feels. Be sure to check this one out. Links to all the applications will be listed down in the description below. Well, we use our Android phones all day, but honestly, the one thing that always slows us down is messaging. Typing out massive paragraphs, fighting with autocorrects, or just struggling with a clumsy keyboard is a total time waster. That's why you need to check out Whisperflow, the sponsor of today's video. It's an AI-powered voice tool that lets you type at the speed of your thoughts. Now, unlike regular voice dictation that just copies down every single word, including your mistakes, stutters and Whisperflow actually captures your flow. It works perfectly even if your thoughts are a bit messy when you speak. For instance, if I say, bro, let's check out that new cafe on Saturday, actually no wait. Sunday morning is less crowded, और हाँ camera साथ में रखना. Whisperflow instantly turns that into, bro, let's check out that new cafe on Sunday morning. It is less crowded and yes, keep the camera with you. It completely strips away all the stuttering, fixes the sentence structure in real time, and bridges the gap between English and Hindi effortlessly. It really feels like the app knows exactly what you meant to say. Getting it set up is super easy. Just grab it from the Play Store and a little flow bubble appears on your screen. When you're inside WhatsApp, Gmail, Notes, ChatGPT, Gemini or any other app on your phone, just tap the bubble and talk like you normally do. If you want to make your life easier and stop worrying about your typos, then definitely check this one out. And when you use my promo code FHD at desktop checkout, you get 1 month of Whisperflow Pro for completely free. The direct link is right down in the description below. Moving on to the next application on our list, we have widgets. If you are someone who loves a clean home screen but hates constantly diving deep inside the app to open specific features, then this application gonna save you so much of time. Basically, it allows you to create highly functional custom widgets and folders directly on your home screen. So instead of just launching an app, you can create one-tap shortcuts to jump directly into specific actions like your YouTube subscriptions, payment QR code pages, your favorite chat conversations, or some deep Android hidden settings. And the level of customization here is absolutely insane. It gives you a ton of options to tweak the layout so it perfectly matches the vibe of your home screen. You can fully customize the folder shapes, adjust the colors to match your wallpaper, pick a custom icon, and even change the fonts too. You can group completely different app shortcuts into distinct custom folders on your home screen, meaning you get instant direct access to exactly what you need without wasting any time scrolling through different menus. It's incredibly lightweight and fast, helps you completely skip those unnecessary steps. I think for the price of free, it's definitely worth installing on your Android phone right now. Next up, we have an incredible launcher for all the minimalists out there called Mako Launcher. If you're trying to cut down on screen time and want to completely eliminate distractions to focus entirely on productivity, then this launcher is exactly what you need. The whole interface looks incredibly clean, stripping away all the clutter and noisy apps icon that usually tempt you to mindlessly scroll all through the day. Now, one of the best parts about Mako is that it runs fully on device, meaning all your data stays completely local and private. And even though it's super minimal, it doesn't skip out on style or functionality. I mean, there are several beautiful different themes available right inside launcher settings, letting you change up the look to perfectly match your preferred aesthetics. And since it keeps background animations and effects minimal, it is incredibly lightweight, making your device feel snappy and fresh. Overall, if you want a fast launcher that truly looks clean and keep you focused, definitely give this one a download. Moving on to the next application, we have something that will completely revamp the visual aesthetic of your phone, and it's called Glyph Icons and Widgets. If you love customization and want to give a unified look to your home screen, then this app gives a massive visual upgrade by combining vibrant pixel art icons with perfectly aligned widgets. I really like how this one single app brings a clean and perfectly symmetrical design to your entire setup. You get a massive library of over 6300 high quality pixelate icons, and it features a fully redesigned dashboard that makes browsing and applying them incredibly smooth. Now the best part, it also comes with 10 custom made widgets that doesn't even require KWGT as they are completely standalone. You get gorgeous matching weather, clock, calendar, battery and music widgets right out of the box. On top of that, it even includes exclusive high quality wallpapers with stunning effects tailored especially for dark setups. So if you want a complete matching retro aesthetic visuals without needing a bunch of different apps on your phone, then this is a must-have for you. Although it's not a free application, it is paid. I do have 30 promo codes to give away. If you want to win one, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and send me a DM on Instagram asking for the promo code. It's a first come first serve basis. Next on the list, we have an absolute gem that I recently came across, and it's called Atmo Engine. If you have ever seen the distinctive atmosphere live wallpaper transition on Nothing devices and wished you could get it on your phone, well, this app brings that exact dynamic experience to any Android smartphone. It's a live wallpaper engine designed to smoothly shift your background right as you unlock your phone. When your screen is locked, it gives you a blurry abstract view, but the second you unlock your phone, it smoothly transitions into a sharp, crystal clear image on your home screen. The coolest part is that it doesn't just limit you to one style. It comes with several different visual effects you can play with, and it even has a playlist mode that automatically cycles through different wallpapers. Overall, if you want a premium, playful animation that looks incredible every single time when you lock and unlock your phone, you definitely need to grab this one. Next up, we have an app that can literally help you replace dozens of clutter apps on your phone, and it's called Punto. This is an all-in-one multi-tool app that packs over 90 different daily utilities into a single lightweight package. So instead of downloading separate applications for minor tasks, Punto puts everything in one place, and most of it works completely offline. It covers a wide range of categories, but just to give you an idea of some of the most useful tools hidden inside, you get built-in calculators, unit and currency converters, image compression and resizing tools, and much more. They've also included micro utilities like a Pomodoro timer for productivity, text formatters, and outdoor tools like compass or color picker. There are also some useful finance related tools as well. So everything is neatly organized into categories, and you can easily favorite the tools you use the most. So if you want to clean up your app drawer and keep everything in one place, Punto is an essential app you need to download right away. Wrapping things up with the last application on our list, and it's called Keepix. If you're looking for a place to jot down your personal thoughts or confidential ideas without worrying about your data, then this app is perfect for you. Now, unlike most other notes app that force you to sign up for an account and sync to a cloud server, Keepix requires no login, no sign up, and works completely offline. What makes it really stand out is the clean, minimalist visual design and the customization options. It lets you fully personalize your workspace by choosing different colors for your notes, making it incredibly easy to organize your thoughts visually. And the best part, it comes with built-in lock feature that secures everything behind your fingerprint or password. Overall, I think it's a beautiful, simple notes app that keeps all your notes safe and organized. Definitely check this one out. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are some of the best applications you need to download for the month of July. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite app, and if you guys liked this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android, and I'll see you guys in the next one.